Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll see how you can get a Gemini Enterprise account for free.
If you're interested in free ChatGPT, you can check out my previous video. Anyway, let's not talk too much, let's get started.
First, visit the link in the pinned comment. You'll see a website dashboard like this. Here, you need to enter an email address, but not your regular Gmail. You should use a business email instead. For example, I'm using this one here. Now, don't worry if you don't have a business email. I'll show you what to do at the end of this video to get one. After continuing with the email, you'll receive a code in your inbox. Enter that code here and you'll be signed in to the Gemini Enterprise model. As you can see, you get 30 days of free access. During this time, you can create unlimited images using Nano Banana Pro and also use advanced features like deep access and agents. You can even create VO3 videos with this tool. I hope you find this helpful. Now, let's see what you can do if you don't have a premium business email. Go to the other website linked in the pinned comment. There, you'll get an email like this that you can use as your business email. After that, you can invite your regular Gmail as an admin. Once you accept the invite, you'll have access to Gemini Business Enterprise with no limits. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.
Subscribe for more videos like this.
Very soon I'll be bringing more content you're going to enjoy, including a client hunting series, how to send unlimited emails for free, and secret WordPress tools for auto blogging and Amazon affiliate work, all at no cost. So stay tuned, my friend. Goodbye and have a great day.